Hi everyone, Darcy Heath here. I'm one of the early childhood community facilitators for Embrace Race, and I wanted to jump on and invite you to join us for our upcoming community of learning and practice around organizing and defense for early racial learning. Who is this community of learning and practice for? It's for family members, educators, anyone who is a caregiver in the lives of young children from the ages of 0 to 8. This community of learning and practice is a time to come together with others who are in the lives of young children to really talk about what is happening in our country right now around early racial learning and what are some strategies and actions that we can take within our communities and within our schools to help support and defend early racial learning for our young children. During this community of learning and practice, you'll have the opportunity to engage in discussions around history of schooling in the United States, what's currently happening in the schools, and also strategies and actions that you can take in your local community and schools to support early racial learning for young children. I hope that you will join us and look forward to seeing you there.